7513 Pacific Heights. Sorry. We really like having screen doors on the front so tenants can enjoy the fresh air without having to worry about security issues or pets or kids running away. So we definitely rekey this door, the front door. The back door is also like this, and the garage door, and there's a side door in the garage. All of these windows here need 2.5-inch faux wood blinds put on them. The picture windows probably do not. We'll get the property manager's opinion. So they've painted the yard in front and back green. This is actually all dead underneath. That's the garage door that we need to rekey. And there is a pet door here. I suggest replacing the front door. Just because it's a first impression. It really matters if it's in good condition. Right now it's not. We have quartz counters, undermount sink, gooseneck faucet, beautiful backsplash. Cabinets look pretty good. Huge fridge. Gigantic washer and dryer. They've removed the doors because the washer and dryer are so large. Undermount sink, quartz counter. We need a blind here. Need blinds throughout. This door actually looks alright. LiftMaster, we have a pan and earthquake straps on the water heater, so rekey that. And that should be it for the garage. Carpet cleaning, but we do that on all the properties. I'm not sure about the baseboards. I'm not sure if they should just be replaced or what, but they're the roughest looking part of the upstairs. Honeywell thermostats. So we also have this grouting issue throughout the entire property. I don't know if the entire property needs to be regrouted or what. It may not be a big issue. Maybe it is. I'm not sure. We need the property manager or a handyman's opinion. So we need a blind in here. This is just reflections of light if you happen to see the discoloration. Closet panel doors have to touch up enough that it may warrant a repaint. That's the property manager's call. Sorry. Replace that little drain at the bottom. That's very inexpensive. They may take the shower rods. You never know until after close of escrow, because they have every right to take the shower rods. Blinds on this window, the light wasn't turning on for some reason, but it may be fine. This wall needs to be repainted, so there may be enough that needs to be repainted in here that we go ahead and do a full repaint. And the doors, the bedroom doors are locking, but they are the kind that you can unlock easily with your nail or a quarter, so I don't think they have to be replaced. So that's that.